everyone, welcome to day 10th of February LeetCode Challenge, and today's question is copy list with random pointer. This question is a very famous interview problem. You might see this question somewhere when you actually try for interviews at FANG. So let's understand the question today. The question says you are given a linked list that has random pointers apart from the next pointers, and the random pointers are set to any node in the linked list, absolutely random in nature, not at the immediate next one, but totally random in nature. What you need to create? You need to create a new copy of this linked list, which is a deep copy fit where the next pointers and random pointers are set, and the new linked list is exactly identical with the given one. So let's look at the algorithm that I have created for this. Also, if you have not done this question in the past, it's difficult to come up with the most optimal approach to solve this. I have taken a slightly smaller example than what was specified in the question so that you get a better hold of the concept. And in this linked list, we have four nodes 1, 2, and 3, and 4. The next pointers are highlighted by this arrow, and the random pointers are highlighted by the curved arrows, this one. And all of them have these set across various nodes in the linked list. So let's look at the first step that we will perform on the linked list so as to build our algorithm. The first step would be to duplicate all the nodes that are present in the linked list and add the duplicate nodes adjacent to the original node. So the new node will be the neighbor of the original node. So step one is this. What I have done in this case, I have iterated through the complete list using the next pointers, and I have added uh, I have duplicated the nodes during the iteration process. So you build a new node, you add it to the current node, and the new nodes will actually point to the original's next node. Similarly for all the nodes. Let's look at step 2. Once we have set the duplicate nodes, we will set the random pointers. We will maintain two pointers. One would be the current pointer and other would be next current. So next current. And what we will do, next current dot random would point to current dot random dot next. So what is current dot random? Current dot random is this, and whose next element is the new duplicate node in the new of 3 value of this node, which is needed to be set to this node's random pointer. So what we will do, we will set current next node next current dot random pointer to current dot random dot next pointer. So this I'm drawing a dotted line for this. So we will go here and see what is current dot random dot next pointer. It is 3 dash this node, and we will attach it here, and we will do for the rest of the nodes as well. So for this iteration, this is the current node and this is my next current. So current nodes dot random pointer, this pointer dot next will so this is the identity of our new random pointer that has to be set at this for this variable. So this will be set in this way, which is what our intended behavior should have been. And let's do it for the third iteration. So this is my current node and this is my next current, and what am I gonna do? From current node I'll go to its random pointer. Random pointer is this one, and I'll move on to you'll find the next element to this pointer, which is this one. So next current dot random will point to this node. And let's do it for the last iteration as well. Here this will be the current node and this will be the next current, and what we will search, we will search dot current dot random pointer. This is current dot random pointer, so we'll go here So this is the node, and next current dot random would point to this node. So once we have set all the random pointers, what we will do, we will simply separate these lists and try to create the original ones. So let me just change the color of the pen. So we will iterate again through the list and try to create both the list as per the required format. Again, the current pointer is this, next pointer is this, next current is this, and we will simply hop two places and create the original list. So this will point to this, again this will point to this, this will point to this, and for the new node we will attach these pointers together. So we will update the next pointers, and the first node of current next would be our new head. So this node would be our new head. Pretty simple to actually do. This has become a little cumbersome here. You'll get a better understanding when I'll actually code. So there are three steps to this process. One is you create duplicate nodes, which are at the neighboring exactly at the neighboring place of the original node. The first step is to duplicate those nodes. The second step is to set random pointers, and the third step is to create the original nodes back, new linked list to actually post. This is the post processing that we will do to create the original linked list. Two linked lists. One is the original one, and other one is a new one where we are just playing around with the next pointers. So let's quickly code this up. As a first step, let's do a safety check where we will check a head against null value. If it is null, we will simply return null. And the first step of the algorithm is to duplicate nodes. So let's do that. Node it equals to head, while it is not equal to null. Let's create new nodes. Before creating new nodes, let's store whatever the next of it is, so that we know where we are. Equals to it dot next, and now let's create new node, new list node, it dot val, and what we will do, we will attach new node dot next to it dot next, and we will update it dot next to new node. So we created a new node, we attached it dot next, new node dot next to it dot next, and we updated the it dot next pointer to the new node. Also, we'll update it to new it to next it. Whatever the next value of it was, we attached it here, and we are done with the duplication of nodes here. And let's create. Let's set random pointers now. Set random pointers. What we will need for setting the random pointers, we will need a new iterator, and that would be equal to head.next. Also, at this point, we are pretty sure what will be the new head of our duplicate linked list. That would be also pointing to head.next. Also resetting it to head, so that we are doing the processing from the starting index, starting node, and till the time it is not equal to null, what we will do, we need to we need to set the new it's random pointer. So new it dot random equals to it dot random dot next, and let's move ahead with the iteration. it equals to new it.next and new it equals to it.next. Pretty straightforward way of iterating through the list. And once we have done that, let's create the new linked list in the format that is expected from us, and reset the modified linked list to original format that was there in the question. So we will be resetting the next nodes now, so as to generate old and so as to separate the old and duplicate lists that have been amalgamated together. So again, resetting the IT to head and new IT to head.next, and while IT is not equal to null, IT dot next would be pointing to new IT dot next, and I new IT would point to IT dot next, and new IT dot next would point to IT dot next again, and new IT equals to IT dot next. So multiple times we are doing IT dot next, IT dot next. And once we are done with this logic, we will return new head. Let's try this up. No, sorry, it's node instead of list node. Apologies for that. Null pointer exception, copy random list, line number 39. So it says I have to be cautious of the null checks. This looks fine. Again, line 44. Also, there would be some here as well. So this looks fine, and let's just try and submit this. Accepted. Sorry for the null checks that misbehaved. And let's talk about the time complexity of this approach. Time complexity is order of n. You are iterating through the list once, and space complexity is again order of n, because you're actually creating n new nodes that there in the duplicate nodes in the duplicate list. Hope you understood the algorithm and liked the video.